So, nailing nonverbals, decoding in booth body language for more meaningful interactions. It's a brand new program that we're bringing to Exhibitor Live, and it's going to be a deep dive into what our bodies are saying. Okay. Some of this is intuitive, we know it, but some of it is actually very fascinating. And when you start analyzing, these interactions and human dynamics, it's amazing what little changes, how profound effects those can have. Okay, and so we're going to be looking at things called fronting, leaning. We're going to be looking at rapport, even though this is not body language specifically, but even tone of voice. We're not actually using the words, but how we sound, that is part of those nonverbals as well. Okay, so we're going to be looking on how we can present ourselves in a way that gets our message across, that makes people want to engage with us, and at the same time understand what's going on from their side of things. Okay, so it's a little bit of a professional development day to up your body language and nonverbals, but at the same time, you're going to be able to then use that knowledge to maybe help some people in your booth staff that are potentially struggling to connect with people. Okay. So I hope to see you at this session. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be up on our feet quite a bit, and it's going to be very interactive. So I hope to see you at Nailing Nonverbals.